there! Welcome to the Build Business Credit Fast Facebook group. In this group, we will help all entrepreneurs build business credit fast with their EIN, which will include vendor credit, store credit, business wireless service, auto financing, corporate credit cards, and no PG revolving cash credit cards. After you've taken this journey, you should be in a great position to qualify for funding should you decide to apply for a small business loan or line of credit. In this group, we work with a set of rules. We encourage you to keep them as it's all for our good. No profanity, no advertising except on Small Business Saturday, no affiliate or referral links, no commenting DM me or inbox me, post only about business credit or entrepreneurship related topics, no post hijacking, no hate speech or bullying, no inbox admin unless it's about paid promo or to report scammers. And that's it! If you know other side hustlers, gig workers, entrepreneurs, or business owners, please invite them to the group. For the free Building Business Credit Fast blueprint, please visit our website www.buildbusinesscreditfast.info. Welcome once again.